Hi everyone, I'm Utku and I'm a sales engineer at Aager Group. As part of the vital oil and gas development in Libya, our team successfully delivered a comprehensive engineering procurement, fabrication and commissioning package for a fully integrated picking system, custom built for the Chadar Field. The project scope encompassed the end-to-end development of two high-pressure pick launcher and receiver units, each sized at 8 inches by 6 inches and rated for Class 900 operation. These units were designed to operate reliably under demanding field conditions with a design pressure of 97 bar and a temperature range from -2 to +80 degrees Celsius. Beyond fabrication, our responsibilities included detailed design engineering, complete material supply, and the integration of all associated piping, valves, nozzles, and structural elements onto compact and transportable skids. Every component was meticulously assembled and tested in accordance with ASME Section 8 Division 1 and ASME B31.4 pipeline standards, ensuring total compliance and operational safety. To guarantee performance and durability, the entire system underwent a series of inspections, including hydrostatic testing and dimensional verification, prior to final packaging. Our logistics teams coordinated the CIF delivery to Libya, providing seamless shipment from factory to field. Thanks to our integrated project execution model and disciplined quality assurance processes, the picking units were delivered on schedule, fully assembled, tested, and ready for installation. This project underscores our ability to provide Turkish modular solutions for critical oil and gas applications, no matter how remote or technically demanding the environment. Explore our capabilities at airgil.com or reach out to us today.